Welcome to GK class, children. See, till previous class you have completed with your 6th lesson. So today we are going to start with your 7th lesson, that is Prime Ministers of India. Yes. So today in your class we are going to discuss the lesson Prime Ministers of India. So this is there in your page number 434, children. Yes. So Prime Ministers of India. So who is the Prime Minister? See, Prime Minister is the head of all the ministers, and he is the leader of the ministers and head of all the cabinets. Yes. So all the cabinets he is the head, and for ministers also he is the leader. Like how you will have your class leaders like that. So he is the leader of all his ministers. Okay. So here you see the warm up you have here. See, the official place of residence of the Prime Minister of India is 7. Lok Kalyan March in New Delhi. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? So here they are asking you to write the current Prime Minister of India. So who is the Prime Minister of India? You have to write the name and where he will live. He will live in 7 Kalyan March in New Delhi. New Delhi, Kalyan March 7 he will stay. Okay, so who is the Prime Minister of India? You have to write it as your homework. So Narendra Modi, who is the present Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. So write it clearly and neatly. Okay, so after that you in this lesson you have few multiple choice. Yes, and two options are given for that. So you have to read the questions and whichever is the apt one, you have to choose and you have to tick for that one. Okay, see here you have read the statements and tick the correct answers. See here what you have the first one. He holds the record for continuously being in office for the longest period. So here from all the prime ministers, he was the he have holded the post for longest period itself. Longest period who have given his service. Yes, Morarji Desai or Jawaharlal Nehru. See here the record of continuously being in office. He was there in his post from 1947 to 1964. These many years he have given his service to the public from 1947 to 1964. But who is he? What is the name of that person? That is Jawaharlal Nehru. So who have given the longest service to people? That is Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes. So from 1947 to 1964, Jawaharlal Nehru have given his continuous services, continuous work from the office to the public. Yes. So now see the second one. He was the interim Prime Minister of India on 2 occasions. See here, interim Prime Minister of India. See, interim means as a temporary. They will act as a temporary Prime Minister. Yes, for 2 times. Here the person acted as 2 times temporary Prime Minister. So who is he? Lal Bahadur Shastri or Gulzari Lal Nanda, who have acted as 2 times temporary Prime Minister for India? Yes. So interim Prime Minister. So who is interim Prime Minister? So interim Prime Minister, and he is acted as interim Prime Minister. So what is the name of that person? Here the name of that person is Gulzari Lal Nanda. Gulzari Lal Nanda. Yes. So Gulzari Lal Nanda. You have to tick for these names, children. For this option, you have to tick. Gulzari Lal Nanda, he acted as interim Prime Minister for India on 2 times. On 2 occasions, he have acted as a Prime Minister. Okay, so now see the third one. So here he gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. So here the options are Lal Bahadur Shastri or Charan Singh. Yes, so here the slogan is given by the person. This person is was the second Prime Minister of India. Yes, he was the second Prime Minister of India. Yes, so he have given the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Why he have given that slogan? Because in those days there was a scarcity of food. Yes, there was a scarcity of food, and to encourage the soldiers to fight for the country, he have given the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. So who have given the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Yes, who have given this slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan on the struggle for food and to encourage the soldiers for the country. They have given, this person have given Jai Jawan Jai Kisan slogan, and he was the second Prime Minister of India. Yes, who was the second Prime Minister of India? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Lal Bahadur Shastri is the second Prime Minister of India. He have given the slogans Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan. Yes, yes. Now we have two more questions. Yes. So now I think you have take the for the option. See the first one, the longest period. Yes. So Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister. He have given his complete longest service from 1947 to 1964. He have given his service to the country. Yes. So the second one, interim, the Gulzari Lal Nanda was the interim Prime Minister of India for the two occasions. Next, we have Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri have given the slogan Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan. Yes, who have given the slogan Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan? That is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Yes, now we will move on to the next fourth one. Fourth one. She was the only woman Prime Minister of India. Yes, only the one and only woman, the female Prime Minister. Who is the female Prime Minister? And she was also the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the first Prime Minister. Yes, the first Prime Minister daughter is the only woman Prime Minister of India. Who is she? Pratibha Patil or Indira Gandhi? Here the options they are given for Pratibha Patil and Indira Gandhi. Only woman Prime Minister. One and only the woman Prime Minister. Yes, she is also she is also a daughter of the first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, what is her name? Her name is Indira Gandhi. Her name is Indira Gandhi. Yes, so you have to tick for the option Indira Gandhi. Yes, she is the one and only daring and dashing woman who acted as a Prime Minister. Yes, now we have the fifth one, the last one. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister since independence. Yes, he was the first non-Congress. He is out of the Congress party. He is not a Congress party member. He is a non-Congress Prime Minister since independence. Since independence. So from independence, he was the non-Congress Prime Minister. So he worked from 1977 to 1979. Yes, he had given his service from 1977 to 1949, and he was the fourth PM. He was the fourth Prime Minister of India. Yes, who is he? Rajiv Gandhi or Morarji Desaii? See, first non-Congress Prime Minister, and he had given his service from 1977 to 1979, and he was the fourth Prime Minister also. Who is he? He is Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai. So tick for Morarji Desai. So here by this we have completed all the 5 multiple choice. See, once again we will read all those. See, Lal Bahadur Shastri. The first one is Jawaharlal Nehru. He holds the record for continuously being in office for longest period. Yes. See, the second one we have Gulzari Lal Nanda. He was the interim Prime Minister of India on 2 occasions. Next, third one we have Lal Bahadur Shastri. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan. Next we have the fourth one, Indira Gandhi. She was the only woman Prime Minister of India. Next, fifth one you have Morarji Desai. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister since independence. Yes, so we have the great Prime Ministers. We have discussed about so many great people in the lesson. I hope everyone you have understood about them, everyone you have known about them. Yes, so you have to read all this. Remember all the things here, whatever we have discussed, and homework is given in your page number 434. Okay, so homework is given in your 434 page number. No, so complete that homework, read all the books. Yes, complete your work, maintain your books neatly, children. By this we have completed this lesson. I will meet you in the next class with the new topic. Thank you.